Hello everyone, thank you for joining us today. Presenting a title Automated Student Attendance Monitoring and Analytics System for Colleges. The expected outcomes include facial recognition, a secure cloud dashboard, and offline online support for accurate and efficient attendance. Combining everything, we are here with a solution called Trackademy that facilitates the attendance system. Let us understand the technical approach of Trackademy. It starts with a simple authentication where students quickly log in and their details are verified. Once done, data flows through APIs into Trackademy, which runs in both online and offline modes. In online mode, it integrates with Google Meet, automatically marking attendance from join and leave times. In offline modes, it uses student data and the camera to capture presence and match it with the database. All records are sorted securely with easy export options for reports. This information powers the dashboards. For students, it shows subject wise and monthly attendance, and for admins, it supports lecture planning, detailed records, and editing when needed. On top of this workflow, analytics make the system smarter. First, descriptive. It shows past attendance and reports. Second, diagnostic analytics. It identifies reasons for low attendance. Third, predictive analytics. It forecasts who may fall short. And lastly, prescriptive analytics. It recommends action like reminders, counseling, or schedule changes. Together, this workflow ensures attendance tracking that is accurate, proactive, and actionable. Let us see its prototype. Here comes the main portal of Trackademy where you can sign in or register as student or as a teacher. Let us test sign in by entering any email address and respected password. Signing in as student where you can see your weekly attendance trend. You can see class type distribution and you can also see the subject wise attendance with the name and the percentage. After seeing the overview, you can also check your online classes attendance and also the offline classes attendance in a statistical bar graph. It also allows students to register for a complaint, that is for reporting an attendance issue. So you have to enter the subject name, you have to enter its description, and you have to enter the priority, that it is medium, low, or it is high. As soon as you click on submit complaint, it will be popped into your teacher's portal. When you click on logout, you will be back to the main portal. Now let us test signing in as a teacher. So enter your email address and respected password. So you can see your class overview here where you can see subject wise performance of students. You can see your class attendance trend and individual students attendance will be shown to you respectively. So this becomes easy for teacher to manage and deal with attendance. They can also see individual student analytics. For example, I am seeing Arav Sharma's academic performance right now. I can also check online classes average attendance, similar way offline classes average attendance, which is recorded in a statistical graph, and also I can manage the data, for example editing the attendance, where I can also check the student complaint. Remember the Arav Sharma's data structure complaint, so it will be popped in the teacher's dashboard. So this was the whole class overview of teacher's dashboard. As soon as I click on logout, I will be back to the main portal. This is the whole concept here. Now let us see the sample database for which we have used Supabase. So here you can see the list of names of the students. You can see their start time, their end time, and the total minute they have been in the meeting, the percentage and the status, whether they are absent or present. Let us see the backend and the working of these programs. So the very first thing is that we have a folder named students that contains the data, that is they contain the pictures of students. Let us see make_std Python file which is basically used to convert these data into binary file. For that, we have imported OS, the face recognition, and pickle for converting into binary file. As soon as I will execute this program, you can see that all my datas that are stored in students folder is encoding to the binary file, and it will create a binary file named as encodings.pkl. You can see the process happening down. So you can see that the encodings.pkl, the binary file is created where your data is stored. Now moving to the main program, that is YOLO.py. This is the main program because we have imported the hybrid model, that is CV2. We have imported OS, we have imported face recognition, and the very main thing is CSV. So basically this program is used to load all the images from encodings.pkl. So it will analyze all the data from encodings.pkl from the binary file, and it will load all the data very quickly without wasting any time. After the data has been loaded, your face will be recognized. So all this data where it recognizes your faces for the time you have been in the meeting, and all those data are stored into CSV file. So the name of the CSV file is attendance.csv. So let us take an example that if the meeting is going on, so this will identify you. So you can see that his name Uday is written above. So this will mark your details, that the time you have joined, the time you have left, the total minutes, and this everything will be stored in attendance.csv, and your status will be marked here. Now here it comes the last step of connecting attendance.csv file to the backend, that is Supabase. For that we have the code attendance.py, where we have shown the connectivity through URL and through a special API key. We also mentioned the records, how we want the data to be saved. We have also mentioned the name of the records, that is attendance_records, and we have uploaded the file, that is attendance.csv. On execution, you can see we got the remark as data uploaded to Supabase successfully. So this is how the whole code works. Thank you.